Hi, welcome to Nana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a microwave meal because we've had a long weekend of birthdays and everything. So I'm going to make a butter chicken in the microwave. So we're going to take it out of the packet. And it says you have to just lift the side up. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 6 minutes, but I think it'll take longer than 6 minutes. And now I've just taken it out of the microwave, and the reason why I put it in the microwave is because the oven takes so long. And this is from Walmart, $4, and the ingredients in it is fat, carbohydrates, protein, but it has a lot of salt in it, but it's just a quick ready meal, and it's $4. So I always transfer it into a proper dish because I don't like it eaten out of plastic. And there's plenty of it, plenty of rice. And there's a chicken. And I hope it's not too spicy. I'm not so keen on spicy food. So let's have a try. It's chicken curry. Let me try it. Quite nice. Yes, very nice. Let me try the rice. Very nice. There's plenty for one person. So if you want to try it, go to Walmart and pick one up. Thank you for watching. See you next time.